water bottle holder for beginners. Using three and four thread poly threads. I'm using two, so two threads. I'm gonna do magic ring. Do 8 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There, and pull and put the marker. Put the marker ready. Now increase. This is second round increase. 1 and increase here also. So all increase. All increase until you reach the red color. Now we reach here already to the red color, and now will be this is the third round. Third round. Here increase the same chain, and then 1, and then increase here, next one, and then 1 until the red color or green color marker. Fourth round, increase first, because my pattern I wrote all increase first, then only and then go to 2 like that, and then increase, and go to the pattern there. Wrote down 8 times, so I've done 2, so you got 6 more to go. Round 5 was all single crochet, no increase, no nothing. So now round 6, increase here, and then go to 3. 1, 2, 3, then increase. I did this one already, so you got 7 more to go. Now done this, what, round 6 done. So now round 7 is increase, and go to 4. Do 4 single crochet, 4 single crochets to every chain like that, then increase, 4 increase, 4 increase, and it will be 8 times. Round 7 done. Now we round 8, increase, okay, and then go to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then increase. Next one, So here increase, here increase 5, increase 5, increase. I've done this, see, and I can put my water bottle like that in, so I think that's enough. So the others are 4 more all single crochet, 4 more rows. Okay, done this, 4 rounds already done that. Now is we do 3 chain and then 4. That's 3, and then here will be 4, and then single crochet, double crochet, double crochet, skip this, double crochet, chain, skip this, double crochet, keep going till the end. So I'm going to do that. First I do slip stitch, ready, remove this, 3 chain, 1 2 3, and then the 4, double crochet, skip this, go to the next, keep going, skip this, 1 chain there, skip this, go next until you reach here. You don't count the slip stitch, there's 1 chain there, so we did 1 chain, and we do the slip stitch here, we leave 1 here, and then there. Another round is this way. I only did there few. You can change how you like the patterns, like that. So you can keep going, chain, and just put it in here. There. One more time. There. Then now we reach here, we slip stitch on this, there. This one is what? It's like 3 double crochet there already. That's one pattern, maybe. 1 2 3, and then 4. Go to the next, the hole there, like that, double crochet, a chain, double crochet. Okay, now we reach here already. I did 1 2 3 4, so I'm going to do single crochet, 1 chain on the on this one, and here, and then here, like that, go around. Now we do the slip stitch on this. So when you have to remember, in 1 chain, we don't do one here, we go to the next, like that. Now keep going till you go to the end there. Even you chain on this, do this too, because we skip here, we skipped here, so we do here too. Thunder and lightning, and my dog does not like it. Then slip stitch there. one chain again and keep going. Now we reach here, do the slip stitch, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm doing the double crochet here, the same pattern as this. Here we did 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to do 4 also, same pattern until you measure your bottle. I did the slip stitch already. I'm going to the back part. Do one chain. Yeah. Do one chain, and then I do a slip stitch here. 1. Go back only 1, and then chain, and then on the same do on the same hole. Hey, oh, don't go in. Single crochet, single crochet. Do 7. Do 7 like that. Now I do 3 already. Now you do 7. Then 7 ready. Turn. Then a chain. This is the straps. 1. Do until 7, and then turn. Keep going, and then do how long you like. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Okay. So I did as long as I like. There. As long as I like. This one you have to sew it in the same way as you sewed the other one here. There. Not sew it, you knitted that. I knitted that way. So this one just go in there and sew in it, not at the end here, inside. It is done. Look at the doll. It's the twirly woos. It's in the it's a cartoon. So one episode. You want the pattern? It is in Noni's Craft Facebook.